Hey guys, what's up? It's me Sahim from SahimTech and welcome to part 4. And in part 3 we have completed the home tab and we have only looked at the last group, which was the editing group, and we have also completed that. So that means we have completed the home tab and now we're looking at the insert tab. Now in case you haven't watched my previous video, Introduction to Microsoft Word part 1, 2, 3, links are in the description, make sure to watch them first. Okay, insert tab, let's click on that and now we are in the insert tab. So now today we'll be looking at the pages group. Okay, so the pages group, there are 3 tools and they are very important. But first of all, let me paste the text which I usually paste. You know that text, right? Paste. Okay, that boring piece of text. You know that, right? Okay. So here, let me go to insert. Now first we have the cover page. Now, what's the cover page? Now whenever you read a book and the first page of your book is called as the cover page, right? When you close a book, the first page in which they have given the title of the book. So that's the cover page. Now let's see how to create a cover page in Microsoft Word. Just click on cover page, and then there will be a list of designs you can choose, or you can just also take more cover pages from office.com. That's online. If you click on that, you can just click here and you can just find other, or you can just click on that. Or you can just remove the current cover page if you have inserted one. Okay, let's insert one. Let's see what we have. You can hover your mouse over this to just select any type of title you want. Let me select this. Cool. Now you can see now the first page itself has turned like this. You can see it has already put the name because I have given the author name as Sahim. You can give the date. Okay. Then do the course title. Let's give that SahimTech Part 04 of MS Word tutorial. Okay. See there. Okay. But you can just even format the way you want it. It's fully customizable. Okay, so I'm done with that. And now I haven't given the H here. So good. Looks pretty good. You can even arrange the text up or down by just dragging like this. You just drag up or down and put it back in the center where it was, like that. Okay. Okay, we have completed that. Then we have the blank page tool. Now, what's the blank page tool? Okay, so the blank page is just to insert a blank page. It's just as simple as that. Just inserting a blank page. Let's say you have completed many pages and you want to insert another blank page. Now, how do you do that? You click on the blank page, and then now you can just wait. Click on a blank page, and you can see the blank page has been inserted. You can see I clicked twice, so 2 blank pages has been inserted. Then you delete all those blank pages. Now, how do you delete a blank page? Okay, it's already there. So let me just delete this one also. Okay, so I don't have any blank page. If we go to insert, now when I click blank page once, you can see blank pages has been inserted. So that's cool. You can just insert blank pages as many times as you want. Let me delete all those. To delete a blank page, you can just select anywhere and then hit backspace. Okay, and then the blank page will go. Just do it twice so that it just knows. And then we have the page break tool. Now, what's the page break? Now, let's say you keep your cursor here and you want to copy all this text and you want to paste it in another page. And you want this text to be in this page and you want the other piece of text on the other page. So you select the text. No, you keep your cursor at the beginning and then click page break. Now once I click on that piece of text has been gone and then the text has been moved into another blank page. So that's cool. So guys, I think we've reached the end of part 4 and we have looked through the cover pages and blank pages and also the page break. So guys, in the next tutorial, which is part 5, we'll be looking at the tables group. A tables group is very important, so I'm only showing you one group because we'll be looking everything in detail on how to customize it fully. So let me show you. Once I click on that and when I select it, you can see there are other tools also. So I have to just I'll teach them all. So that's when the insert tab, it just looks like only one tool. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching and I'll meet you in part 5. Oh, you're still here. Great. If you haven't subscribed, then go ahead and tap on my logo if you're using a mobile phone, or click on my logo if you're using a computer, which is now visible on my screen, and then hit subscribe and then click on the bell so that you don't miss anything. And if you have missed any of my previous videos, then click on any of these 3 videos which is now visible on your screen to watch them. See ya in my next videos.